Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to run dual WhatsApp accounts on a single Android device. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now in the search bar, you have to search for app clone. Click on this. From here, if you want to run dual WhatsApp accounts on your Android phone, you just have to turn on the button. Here it is. So this is how to run dual WhatsApp accounts on a single Android device. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.